one of my favorite places in the entire world. I'm in Star Lumber. I'm here with Patrick Goebel, and I built a house a few years back. I think I used you for almost every need that I had because I didn't know what I was doing. It's wonderful to have this place here that I can do that.
Well, first of all, congratulations, because getting to build a home is something that most people never get the opportunity to. So we recognize that, and we try to make it fun. We try to take the coolest parts of building a house, and sometimes the most stressful, and make them fun, though, through the design and selections and all that. So that's kind of what we're all about these days.
I agree. You're very stress-free, and that helped me because, again, I didn't know what I was doing. One of the things that I was curious about, because I know a lot of people think Star Lumber, but really there's so much more than that.
Yeah, a lot of people don't realize that we're actually one of the largest flooring contractors in the country. So flooring is definitely a big part of what we do. Cabinets, like this beautiful display that we're in here, is an important part of what we do. But we also manufacture trusses, hang doors, make custom millwork, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, we're Star Lumber. We've been Star Lumber for 80 years, but we're so much more than that. We used to have a saying, Star has it all. And,
I agree.
And we try to narrow that down a little bit, but we try to be the best at those things.
Well, to go back to, because you said 80 years, that's a long time to be in a community. First of all, I love it because you're locally owned, and it's been a family business for a long time.
Yeah, we're excited. We're celebrating 80 years this year. Started in 1939, and it started with my grandpa. He literally started selling used lumber during the war, just literally down the street from here, out of a chicken coop. And you know, we've tried to just keep growing ever since then. And today we have 23 family members involved in one fashion or another. We have G4s working here, and the G5s are being born literally every week.
That's true. If you think about it, it's true. Now, one of the things too, where are you going for the future? What do you have planned next?
Well, we like to think that we're going to be around for another 80 years. So we just constantly keep evolving. We work really hard at adding value to everything that we do. And so we don't always know exactly where we're going, but we've expanded into Oklahoma City. We're doing projects in a larger geographic region, but really it's all about the project type customers, the long-term relationships. And so we'll go pretty much wherever those customers really want us to go.
So if we want to get a hold of you, what is the best way to do that?
Well, you can find us all over the internet, our website, Facebook, or you can call the store at 316-942-2221. And we give people one-on-one attention, so I always encourage people, you can call and make an appointment, or you can walk in and we'll work really hard to get a person one-on-one. So that's the easiest way, is to come on in and meet with one of our professionals.
That's what I did, and I loved it. So thank you very much.
Thank you.